Hey guys, what's up? Last weekend, Dad installed some Rocksliders on the LJ and some limiting straps, which he got from ProComp. He got it up on the lift and was able to fully decompress the suspension, measure, get the ones he needed, able to utilize an existing bolt hole in the driver's side for the upper mount, and let it hang down and connect it at the shock mount at the bottom, which is very robust. On the passenger side, we're able to utilize the upper track bar mount that's still existing, an existing bolt hole, and tie that down to the shock mount on the lower as well. These White Knuckle Rocksliders are 0.25 DOM tube and square tube, really heavy, really strong. No drilling into the body, which we wanted to avoid because we really love the factory lines of the Jeep, and this is just kind of a subtle, just really durable option. And it also doubles as a step. You can bolt these sliders on. You drill some holes in the frame and bolt them. But since we have so many holes in the frame already, we just opted to weld, which was easier for us. Just weld these sliders to the frame. Some touch-up paint, had to modify the center bracket to clear the cross member and the bracketry for the full traction lift, which was done without too much trouble. The sliders look great. They come just to the edge of the fender flare. Looking forward to getting them out and being able to be more confident with the Jeep and not worry about the tub or damaging any of the sheet metal. Really happy with the way it turned out. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all are staying safe. Take care.